I'm back, and it actually turns out that the last we were here, we didn't achieve much. The trade we put place last time, we ended up with a loss, and I just said, let me come and break down the trade. So we were trying to observe NZT on that very day. So NZT, if I'm not mistaken, NZT is what we were looking at that day. Is it? Yes. But NZT was not giving us what we were looking for. SNGPY, it broke. Time for it to retest this zone. It did not retest it properly. There was no open and closed candle above this line, and that was why I did not place the trade. Now, Euro JPY, we also checked and observed it, but when we were trying to observe the Euro JPY, it broke this place, open and close below it, open and close above. This one broke the line again. I was waiting for a bearish candle for me to sell, but it turns out that wait, I don't know confirm if you guys are here. So it turns out that this very candle, it is showing a bearish candle, but it is not showing a proper bearish candle. If I'm not mistaken, I just want to confirm. Sorry, guys. And yeah, this is a doji. What do you call this type of drag? Okay, this is dragonfly because of that extra wick above it. Yes, there's an extra wick. So we'll call this one. This is a dragonfly. Now, this dragonfly candle, despite the fact that it is bearish, it is considered to be a bullish candle. Why? Because this the wick below here is way too long. If that this dragonfly was upside down now, I will know this is a proper sell trade and it will keep pushing downward. But this candle was not a proper trigger candle, so that's why I abandoned Euro JPY and card JPY. It did not even break any of the like it broke, but it broke here and did not break properly. Went back up, broke here. Did not break properly. Went back up, broke here, and now went back up. Well, then for CHF JPY and if you notice, all of them were consolidating. CAD JPY consolidated, NZD JPY consolidated, Euro JPY consolidated. Now for CHF JPY, the trade we placed that hit stop loss. So here it is. So it came, went up, came and broke this support, this zone. So when it broke this support zone, it's time for it to retest it. So because the candle closed down up, the candle opened and closed up. So this broke it. I was waiting for a bearish signal. Now, this week here is longer than the week here. So meaning the bearish sellers are in control. So after here, I place my trade here. Once I place my trade, put my stop loss at I'm supposed to put it here. But I was like, so that a week, candle week does not stop us out. So I was like, let me extend it to here since it's not that far off. Then put it. It's also a 1:2 ratio. But I was like, 1:2 is not standard because of that line there. There's no support zone or resistance zone that is at 1:2. So that's why I extended it to 1:3.2. But it turns out that the trade did not go all the way. Now there's some things I noticed that caused this. Number one, this thing we're looking at here is not a valid support or resistance zone. This line. And I forgot. I was just placing nonsense. You know why? I only put this line at the end of the last or the previous lower place that it bounced off, then you can accept it. But no, that's how it's meant to be because there is supposed to be this and it was respected. So that was the one thing I was trying to avoid. So that is, but at the same time, if this trade was to play out in our favor, it must break this very spot. It doesn't mean that this is the exact spot you place your trade. I don't know if you understand. So because of that, because of that simple neglection, I ended up losing the trade. So this was a good happen. This time around, properly, whenever one want to place our trade early, it's 3:30. So that's one up early. So yeah, let us let us now observe the trade. What are we interested in for today's trade? For this morning trade, let us know the candle, the place we're interested in. Apply. 15th of October. There is no there's no forecast. That is bothering. So many wants us to pick any trade today. Oh goodness. So here's what I'm going to do. In case the trade is going to run for 2 days, I'm going to be picking 16th of October's uh, news update. GBP. And this time, remember, our trade is supposed to be 235. Yesterday, we did not place any trade. Yesterday, we did not place any trade. So here, this is what I'm going to do. And even the next day, Euro runs. Another day, Euro runs. Euro is going to be very strong. Okay, this one is on today, so I don't think it's valid enough. So Euro is going to be Euro, even GBP, but applied on Saturday, the governor's speech. Now that we've seen that we're interested in GBP, reduce the filter to medium. Let's see if it can work. We can pick any 15. Okay, we can pick a 15. I have a lot of 15 there, but it's too much. Goodness, that's why we focus on the major. But there's something I'm also seeing USD, Euro, GBP. USD are much. The news release for USD is too much. That's why they file for today alone. It's too much. It's too much. So let's go back. The news release for GBP is too much. This is I'm making that comment. So, oh, sorry. Yeah, so let's focus on GBP USD Euro. Let's put USD analysis for USD first, then GBP Euro, blah 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 blah. So let's arrange ourselves for USD first. Where is USD? Euro is well aligned here. USD, okay, USD, APY front, USD, 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 Euro, USD front, USD card front, NZD, USD front. If I'm not going to lie, we calculated 10 trades, 50% profit increase. So I was calculating that if we can get 3 consecutive $4 trades, nice, hit TP 3 consecutive times for this week, we're done. Like we're actually done. We don't need to 10 the whole lot today. But now that that one has been installed, it still doesn't spoil anything. You know why? Because remember, it is 4. So meaning that 4 times 3, we would be calculating 12. If that 12 coming, it should cover up for the 2 point something dollar loss that we already had. So 3 consecutive 3 to save up. Consecutive 3 to save up. Remember, 3 consecutive 3 to save up. 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 3 conse if I don't hit any of the trades, I end up starving myself. I don't want to starve myself. I love my tummy. No, I don't love my tummy, more like I love to eat. Yes. So eh, do would you guys to like me to be starving myself because of trade? It's not right. So but that is the only option I have. I need to punish myself anytime I don't meet my goal. If I don't do that, I'll just be lazing around. So AUSD, gold USD, USD CHF, USD everywhere. Oh my knee. GBP USD, USD everywhere. GBP USD, 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 USD. I think that's all. Then what else were we looking for? USD, GBP, and then Euro. Out of all of them, Euro is more promising because it's repeated almost every day. Every day. So Euro is going to be lined up. Just concentrating on USD first. I really messed up. I was just instead of me to focus on actual putting the support and resistance zones, I'm still pissed off with myself online. The fact that we lost that trade just because of my laziness. So I'm going to make sure that that does not repeat itself again. So why do I feel like I've been here? I put this line and it's not long. And I don't think I've been on USD charts for a while. At this point, self, I might just instead of me to be doing this nonsense stress, I'll just clear everything. But I like to use that thing to see my previous trades, how terrible I was with those trades. It's like John. So yeah, let me clean up the site. Clean it up. So cleansing objective. Okay, just this one. What I'm doing is what I call proper cleansing of the mind. Oh, in the meantime, I'm supposed to be checking the direction. This is bearish. Yes, bearish. Let's move on. This is also supposed to be bearish, but it's bullish. Goodness. So USD have come with its headache. You know, USD is such a strong currency pair that it is very difficult for you to see all of its currency pair moving in a particular direction. That's how strong USD is. You see USD, you see Euro, the both of them. That's why Euro USD is like one of the most complicated fights ever. Two bulls and two powerful generals in the war of trading, standing side by side to fight against each other. It's going to be a strong battle. So I don't even know what this direction is. The direction is not giving any direction at all. Okay, now let's do this. Euro USD That is a clear. Okay, let's do this. USD Now for USD what did it? Yeah. So it's broke all the way here. Came. Now doing this, it has broken the previous low, higher low. Came down, went up. Break this one now. Went up, came down, broken it. And since it has broken it, it automatically is bearish. Now for here. So trending all the way up, came down, but it was not someone take out the previous higher low. How could this all be? It's so complicated, I would lie. Was this news release that is doing all these things? Could it be new release? And now it's just consolidating. I'm not comfortable with this market. So this is still bullish. Then the next one broke, came down, went back up. Came down, went back up. Came down, did not break it, went back up. Came down, went back up, but did not even get to this top. Came down, went back up, came down. This one is bearish, just like the up one. Now for this one, this is meant to be bullish. Oh goodness, another one broke. Why is it so confused? Why is it so scattered? I'm not comfortable. I'm not happy with this. Today's trade. Today there is. Are you sure we should not just sideline today? But if we sideline today, we're in trouble. We're in big soup because the called this thing that we're supposed to be doing, the so-called analysis we're supposed to be doing. Don't meet up with $10 profit for this month, for this week. We're in trouble. I don't want to start. As you can see, sir, even as I'm talking to you now, I already gotten a biscuit to which you invest. So, excuse me. Now, Euro USD wait up, came down, and up, came down. In case you guys are not really understanding what I'm doing wait up, went down. Is it? And up, came down, went 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 up, came down. Oh goodness, went up. So this is what I've been doing since then. I'll now use this to see. It was bullish, then became bearish. Now it's bullish again. Are you guys saying it? Bullish became bearish, then bullish again. So this is bullish. Why these two are bearish? So that's how it's supposed to look. So this is what I'm looking at. Whenever I'm telling you went up, came down, went up, came down, I'm using my eye to draw it. This one's already showing bullish. I don't know. So this one is bullish. Mm, mm, mm. So yeah, I'm just trying to clean up the environment. I'm just trying to clean up the environment so it will be easy for me to look around. I'm supposed to just press delete all drawings, but I like to keep this my long and short, like the analysis I made previously, apart from these lines, because these lines on it is stressing. So That's why I like doing it. As on the years, this is bullish now. Try to bearish, bearish. But it's supposed to be bearish. Why is all these things confusing me? So this is bullish. And these are the only neat ones. The ones that are not. See, let's leave this in now. Okay. Bearish, bearish. And these two bearish are by change of structure bearish. It's not trending bearish. Change of structure bearish. Then bullish. This bullish is a neat bullish. Now, bullish, change of structure bullish, or change of structure bullish. Then trending bearish. Then trending bearish. Trending bearish. It broke this thing barely. Then this is supposed to be bearish now is bullish. What is this? So what do they actually want me to do now? What do they actually want me to do now? I think I'll do this. Let me switch to it. Bullish. Bearish. Bearish. Beautiful. Bearish. Beautiful. Bearish. Beautiful. Bullish. This is the only stubborn one. Gold. To the 15 minutes time frame. It's only two less stubborn. That refused. Now that this one has been sorted out, I think I'm just going to close this one. This is the only one and it is a gold, it's a metal. It's not supposed to bother rocks. Now let's start putting our support zones. Hmm. This is a very strong support zone. If it breaks this, then I know it's ready to trade. So my support zone have been placed. For my TP, I'm not sure this is going to be my TP police. Then I'm just indicating all the proper support zones. Open myself for fast. guess you're wondering why I'm silent. I'm just trying to draw some button resistance zone, nothing more. So don't take it to heart. To heart, sorry guys. I feel so lonely. Well, yeah. How was I looking? I was looking for something. Okay, yeah. Nice. Uploads and take profit to be extra large and did too much and all over the place. I want my stop loss to be just the previous, like this one now. For this one, it should be the previous high and low. Should be. Yes, something like that. Okay, I never want to acknowledge this small thing that is here. This could also be a potential take worth aiming for the biggest fishes in the sea. It is the small ones that matters. It is that small one that is mattering that I like to pick up because that is an adequate one. But you know the proper breaking point and TPs for you to select from. Guys for USDJPY. Chibi? Yes. Chibi all it means I'll tell us. Bullish and I was placing all these things down. What in the world is wrong with me? It is bullish trade I'm concentrating on. Bullish. It's bullish trade I'm concentrating on. What in the world is making me to be doing this one? Oh goodness. And I was busy thinking that I finish for USD. So we're looking for bullish signal. I am back to 4 hours left. If I never see any. Okay. Yes, you see where they're hiding. So this all this shooter. So this is where you're hiding. Okay. Should I wait for it to okay? Focus on it breaking. Or should I focus on it just breaking anyway? Hmm? Because if you leave here, see the possible TPs, the private zones, TP zones. What is this one? Hmm. I've seen the line. It connects all the way down there. Okay. It zones. Oh goodness. Oh goodness. Then the next one should be this one. Should be this one. I feel like making me put TB that beyond this. I don't know. Shouldn't it be concerning? But yeah, we're looking for a bullish trade and that. So what's the next thing? So yeah, I'm interested in the trade. Wait, let me put the 5 minutes. Let me see what I placed. If it is only decent. But before it will come all the way there, that's another thing. Because it's not going to be that much of a trip. No, it's not much. The trip there is not much. Go back to what I did. I can't believe that I'm saying this, but this is not not all that big enough. How many people are we talking about? 600, 60, 60 points. I don't know. 100 minus 3. 60 points for the first one. I and 900 points for the second one. 60 points. Sorry, 3 points times 1 cent. That is 90 points times 1 cent. There is no flipping. Wait, let me calculate the previous points that was the one. Because if I'm not mistaken, let me check it. How many points? Wait, I'm sorry, I'm just trying to figure out, okay, why don't I do it? I like using my MT5 for calculating. That's why I'm doing all of this. 7206. Calculate 7206 minus 6892. 6892. That is equals to what? 314. Mm-hmm. 314. They will still collect commission. Okay. That's 314. Okay. Then let's clear this one. I'm still wondering why it's still 314. Is what it is. Okay. Then what was we calculating? 9 9 minus 9 is 281. It took the plus and why we don't put. I don't know why they don't get plus. Like, that of the place now it's 5. Okay. 314. And close. 3 4. Sorry. 396 and 300. Anyhow, minus, and not only 3 minus. It was 96. Sorry. Okay. 52. Why is it always an increase to whatever I'm calculating? Like, if I calculate with this 1 cent times this, but and it's not from the commission. I don't know whether extra this is coming from. I don't want to stress my brain, but literally what I'm calculating now is okay. 600 is actually the first one, and that 600 is going to be giving us. Is supposed to be giving us 6 point something dollars. So I think the first one is even more than adequate. Of the first, this one will go to the next one. I just wanted to confirm if that space is more than enough for take profit. That is all I wanted to do. Just wanted to confirm it's big enough for take profit. So now that that has been sorted out, let's go and sort out the remaining. And one more time frame, then my waist. Let me remind all of them. So I'm looking for bullish trades. That's what I'm looking for. I'm done with USDJ. I've picked the stop loss and take profit zones. I am down to USDJ CHF. Wait, I will pick something around here so that just in case, I think it's in the 4 hour time frame. Okay? Just in case of emergency purposes. Emergency purposes. Okay, I just went out for a snap. That's how bad it is. Because this staffing I was going to, I don't want to start a vehicle. So why I went back, despite I've gotten my TP, is that I'm looking for a possible stop loss to work with. I'm just looking for a possible stop loss to like pinpoint. But I don't think this is this could be adequate. Let me just put it there. This is not a breaking point line now. I'm just a name to name this break. So it will be easy. Excuse me. Mm, since I'm not saying anything important, let me just be making my analysis while you guys are there because anything that comes up, I'll definitely come and update you guys. See, I'm not going to lie for you guys. This years is giving me some down because I don't see any reason why. And you know what's part out of all these things, this is not taking place today, it's taking place on Thursday. It's seriously giving me second downs, like serious second downs. Hero News is going to be coming by 5. It's going coming by 5. Is it 5? Yes. But GBPU News is going to be coming by 7. Even the first, sorry, one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 5 USD news is coming by 1:30. And all these things I'm been mentioning from the 5 by GBP to this by Euro and that, it is tomorrow, it is not today. Today the market is not stable. That is why we are not seeing any trade going on. Oh goodness. The market is not stable. Ouch. The market is not stable at all. That's why you guys can see there's no, because how will I go through it? I've just been looking at this trade very well. There's nothing. I've just been looking at it like I've been like, what do I want to analyze from here? What do I want to analyze from here? I had to shift to 15-minute time frame just to make my analysis, and they were no, 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 no. I want to check for something. If I can see like volatility indexes. I can't see all of that. Trading view. There is this is literally the only thing I can do right now. I have to use the reef trading view, right? So this one is too wide. Like, so I have to succumb to using it. How do I increase the zoom? How do I use my hand? Okay, there's this thing. I'll use the reef trading view to analyze volatility index because that is the only trade we can actually pick now. We can't even pick any of the main trade because there's no active trade right now. So let's go to volatility index. This what's going on? Okay, okay, okay. This is why it's going on. 5 minutes. Uh-huh. Then zoom out. Yes. This is uh-huh. So okay, you guys are still here. So sorry, I keep forgetting. So obviously trading view, the normal trades we take is not going to work today because there is no news update. So I'm heading over to volatility index now. Get my things ready. Why are they giving me multiple nonsense?
Just press now. We can't do from highlight. Okay, okay. Can delete all of them. All of them. Volatility. Which I was on forex. That was it. Volatility. 10 minutes. What's going on? Why is it limited? And 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 in case you guys are wondering why I'm on derivatives, because volatility is what I want to trade, and it is not actually available on these normal stuff. Wait, what's in the world? What's going on? What's going on right now? What's that? Who do you want to want stress with first? Ah, it's not me. Only 10 remove all these things. Or it's one S. One S. One S. One rest. One rest. I mean, I don't want S. Doing me now. One S. One S. What do you want S is gonna rest? Huh? Let me follow this one. Gonna rest. 10 index, 25 index, 15 index, 25 index, 100 index. Okay, beautiful. So, one again. Right? Yes. So, we've set up our, oh goodness, I'm supposed to be able to check all the trends, whether all of them are trending in the same direction. So anyhow, sha, 25 is like this. It's bullish. 50. That's the 50 dots. What do I compare to know the actual direction? 50 is bearish. Should bearish. I don't even know again. The sound is bearish. How directly all over the place. I'm not going to lie. This is going to be very hard. What am I? 1 minute. 24 hours. 1 minute. 5 minutes. 15 minutes. I forgot I like 15 minutes. 1 hour. On daily life frame. Yeah. There's nothing to compare and contrast. If it is on the normal currency, you know what? I'm just going to skim through any currency pair that has a matching direction. I take that one. That's what I'm going to do. Use this for matching. I close it down. But for me to do that, I need to arrange all of the currency pairs. Euro matching. JPY is matching. JPY is like card matching. GBP matching. Okay. So observe everything. So Euro for 35 minutes. Good one. Which trade is this? Stop loss. What was this? New resistance on 2p. Uh, did I only take this trade? Oh, this Euro G, Euro card. When? I was not looking at card yesterday. Euro card. 7 October. Today's what? 10th. That's 3 days ago. That's on Monday. Ah, wait, on Monday of October is wait, wait. 7th of October. Last week Tuesday. That's when my less than check. For last week Tuesday trade. If I check, I actually read out last week Tuesday. Wait, I did not take that trade. I did not take it at all. I did not. There's a trade like this, yeah. Right now, sir, I'm pissed off because these these 3 days that did not give really pissing me off. And now I'm just stuck hovering around. See, the truth is that the worst part is that I just took 1 hour of you guys' time doing absolutely nothing. That's what one annoying me to myself. So I found this very this for the whole of today. I am free. Let me not rush the trade abeg. If I go and open the must I open the trade. If I can get three wait, today is what? Today is what? Goodness. If I can get this is Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, pick something today. I need to pick it today. I don't pick it today. I don't pick it today. It's going to affect me. I really affect me. I need to pick something today. But there's nothing to pick. I can't force trade. I'll starve. There's no other option. There's no other option to it. If I cannot find any trade, let's see. Thursday, that means Thursday I'm picking all three. That is the only way. On Thursday, I am picking USD, I'm picking GBP, and I'm picking Euro, and all three of them must be profitable. All three of them on Thursday. Then Friday is going to seal the deal for Euro. Euro is the only one that will extend till the next day, which is Friday. Okay, there's nothing we can do. I just have to accept it going on. So I think I can see. I tried and tried and tried. There's no if I can see any hope that this our trip, but there was nothing. So you guys should just so sorry for wasting your time and don't forget to subscribe. This thing just provoked me. Oh, bye. You provoked me.